Hello, welcome to Refill Technologies. In this video tutorial session, we learn what is Enter architecture is and how to develop an Enter architecture. So first, let's understand what is Enter architecture is. Look at this diagram. So Enter architecture, we have basically more than one layers. So that is what called is Enter architecture. We- You can see that we have three layers. One is presentation layer, one is business logic layer, one is data access layer. Okay. So first, let's understand what is presentation layer is. In the presentation layer, we define our user interface, like with the text box, with the buttons. When you click the buttons, what should be done behind the web page. And the business logic layer, we define all our business logic like methods and stuffs and everything. In data access layer, we define all the codes related to our database. So this is all about the three-tier architecture or Enter architecture, whatever you say. If you have any doubt or any question, leave your comments in my YouTube channel. I'll get back to you when I can. So let to proceed with this Enter architecture demo, we need to create a database and the store procedure in our SQL Server. As again, the interest of time, all I already typed the record script and the store procedure. So let me just explain you to what is I mean, the tables I already created and what the store procedure I already created in my SQL Server. So first, let me just go through the table I already created. The name of the table is student table. It has several the properties like student ID, name, address, and email ID, and mobile number. As you can see, the student ID is an identity column and types is integer, and rest of this and varchar. And I'm saying it can be null. It can be null, otherwise, or you can say it not be null. And the next one I can say that is a procedure to add a new student in our database table. So that I just chosen a name is add new student. You can give any name if you want. So in this two procedure, we are passing the four parameters in there, like student name, address, email ID, and mobile number. After that, what you're saying that insert into the student tables the name, address, email ID, and mobile, and the value is coming from at name, at email address, and at mobile number, and whatever is coming in return it. And after that, we have the delete update students. Is slightly different from the first one. In here, we also passing the student ID as integer type. With that, we are passing the rest of the columns in the value as well. And after that, what we are saying that update the student table, whatever the value is coming for the name, address, email, and the mobile number. And after that, what you're saying that where the student ID equal to student ID. So basically update the all the properties is coming from the the user interface request where the student ID match to the student ID in our student table. So after that we have the get a list students. It basically this one is returning all the list of students we have in our database table. So after that we have the get student details. This one is returning the specific student details based on the student ID. And again, we are passing the student ID as the integer, and we are saying to select everything from the student table where the student ID equal to student ID and return it. And delete the student is same. We are just changing a little bit. We are just passing the student ID, and after that we are saying delete from the student, so where the student ID equal to student ID. So this is all about the creating and the student tables and the store procedure in our SQL Server. In our next video, we'll see how to develop data access layer by using Microsoft Visual Studio. If you have any questions, any comments about creating the tables and store procedure, leave a comment in my YouTube channel or blog. I will get back to you. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.